up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Taylor J. If you are new, and I'm currently at a car wash. It's called Auto Detailing Bubble since '03. And I wanted to share with y'all, like, if you're in Atlanta, if you live here and you need somewhere that's gonna give you a great service detailing too, y'all should come here. It's gonna take a little time. It take 30 to 45 minutes, but they gonna do the outside, they gonna do the inside, they gonna do the top. They're gonna take their time, so yeah. But I just have errands to run, and I'm like, why not pick up my camera? I'm out here just enjoying the weather. It's a beautiful day outside for real. But yeah, while they detailing the car, I'm gonna edit on my phone, because I'm about to be relaunching my business, and I need to start speaking about it. I need to be talking about it. I need to be motivated to do it. So y'all the first to know for real, like on the vlog. But yeah, let me just sit here and edit, and y'all can come along for a day in my life. So y'all know how I said I was gonna edit. Pause on that. I'm about to go to Little Caesars and try what they call.
I think they call the puffers. The pizza puffers or something.
The pizza something. I'm gonna show y'all when we get there. So the car hasn't even gotten started on the detailing part yet, so we really got time. So it's just in the parking lot right here. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all us getting all this, and then I'm gonna show y'all them doing the car. Alright, y'all, so I got the crazy puffs. I'm about to try them. I got cheese because I only like cheese pizza, so I thought I would only like cheese pizza. This is what they look like. And I like ranch on my pizza, but I'm going to try without and then try with ranch. Good. It's just cheese for a bread. So I like it. All right, y'all. So I'm not gonna lie. If you've ever had deep dish pizza, which is originally in Chicago, you would think that's the best pizza on earth. But look, it was good. I rated like a 9 out of 10, so it was definitely the hype. But I just walked into Sam's Club. I gotta get my bulk items in here, and yeah, y'all know I'm a Sam's Club, Walmart type of girl, so time to restock. The children's one is. You just want one? Alright, y'all. So they had the Aquaphor locked up. This majority of stuff I got. Gotta have the chocolate pretzels. I need to clean my makeup brushes. And get my favorite chips. Alright, y'all, it's 6:44 and I have a business credit class on Zoom at 7. So I need to run in here and get this stuff real quick. I'm just coming in here for my Facebook. Hello. Dang, the line route. Let me come here and grab my stuff real quick. No, that's not the aisle. No. Where is the aisle? I'm panicking. Oh, this is the one that damn. What is it called? It's gonna smell missing. Excuse me. Where's the peach slices, Brie?
Right here. I know.
Yeah, I usually come in. Oh, it's fine. Thank you. Here we go. We got it. Look at this line. I ain't gonna make it. Most likely I'm gonna have to join from my phone and then just connect with my laptop when I get there. All right, y'all. So bag is secured. It's 6:51. I'm definitely gonna have to join from my phone and then just pick up on my laptop once I get there, because it's not gonna take me 9 minutes to get home. It's definitely gonna take way more. So yeah, see y'all when I get home. All right, y'all. So I just got home.
Just like
and I
college, just like a job, just like anything else, and it can really help you. Some advantages is, it's an opportunity to build credit over time. Right? A lot of people
We're learning about business credit today.
Don't skip this step because.
Alright, y'all, so this is hours later. This is my dinner, buffalo chicken wrap. Y'all hear that train in the background? I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. The presentation ain't the cutest because this is my second plate, but I'm gonna eat this and call it a night. So thank y'all for watching.